Hey, human, wake up.
What's up, furball?
I was thinking, it's been a while since you showed me proper respect.
Showed you proper respect, her? And how should I do that?
Well, for starters, a throne made of cushions would be nice.
How about a cardboard box instead?
A cardboard box. How dare you? I demand only the finest accommodations.
All right, Your Majesty, I'll get right on that. How about I give your tail a little tug instead?
You wouldn't dare.
All right, Kitty, come on, you know I was just playing. You're my favorite little furball.
That's more like it. You're not so bad for a human.